right. So, let's try this one more time.
One more time.
Should I start from the beginning? Because people will probably at this point.
Sure.
We're talking about why space matters, right? And what does it get you in IRL?
What has space ever done for me?
What has space ever done for me? And this is one of those cool gadgets. Everyone's got their iPhone. I've got my Android phone. And we all get excited about these things. This is one that I personally got excited about. I called the company and I'm like, dude, send me one. And they did. They sent me a phone. This is a satellite phone. This is a TerreStar GENUS, GENUS.
You sure it's not Genius?
Yes. GENUS.
Checking.
Yep. And this is it, right? This is the whole satellite. There's no big antenna that pops out like you think of the James Bond movies where they...
Yeah, I was trying to figure out why you had a BlackBerry at home.
Right. I mean, that's what this looks like. And it is a smartphone. And it's a satellite phone.
It's a very smartphone.
And it's a 3G phone, so it jumps from cellular network to satellite network. And, you have to tell it, I want to jump from one to the other.
Right.
But it's really, really cool. And you can do smartphony things on this, and you can do satellite.
Smartphony things?
Exactly. Well, no, I say that because right there an alarm popped up on the phone.
Kind of like a text from space, sort of, but not really?
Exactly. It's like going all the way around. But think about how cool this is. Imagine if we had emergency workers who need to have a phone.
Right.
It's really difficult to bring a traditional satellite phone with you.
Right.
If you've ever seen one, they're ginormous. They're huge. This thing is...
They're like old school cell phones.
They are, and they've had that huge antenna that dangles up. I had one. I had a Globalstar phone.
Oh, that's right.
Right? When I was...
Northrop Grumman Lunar Lander Challenge 2008.
Exactly. And it was fun, except that it was huge. No one wanted... It came in this giant case, and it was just a pain in the butt to use. This is small enough that you could replace your regular phone with it.
Yeah.
I think that's kind of actually the idea.
It'd probably be expensive.
Well, no, that's the cool thing, is it also works on AT&T.
Oh.
So you use it
switch back and forth.
Exactly. When you don't need satellite service, you just use the regular AT&T service.
Okay, here's the important question. How's the battery life?
Well, on satellite, it's back right. When you think about the amount of it's sending a signal to geo orbit and coming back. It's going to take a bit of power to make that happen. But it is a really, really cool phone. We were playing with it down here as Space Geeks. We're all sitting here like, oh man, I'm on a sat phone. Right? It's a lot of fun to play.
Quick, call somebody.
But this is what space gets you. And maybe this doesn't affect you right now. See yourself carrying a sat phone around today.
Right.
But when it comes into a form factor like this, I have to imagine that this will become more commonplace very, very soon, and suddenly you'll have the ability to make a phone call anywhere. There's no more, dead spots. It's